Speedmaker, yes, Pogi, the Mangligaw is running by the road. Back to the front runner, Speedmaker, yes, Pogi, the Mangligaw, and moving up down on the east, rushing up from the outside is Bean, entry number 3. It's Speedmaker, Bean, yes, Pogi, and winning bid on the father outside by Dralis, the Mangligaw, humble submission, Batang Balara, supercharged, wow! Pogi and inner class is the tail ender. Back to the front runner, Speedmaker, by about 2 lengths, yes! Pogi is now running in second, down. Mangligaw is running by Bean and winning bid as they race the far corner. A Speedmaker, yes, Pogi, the Mangligaw is running by last 300 meters more to run. A Speedmaker, the Mangligaw, yes, Pogi, the Mangligaw running by and Speedmaker on the outside, yes, Pogi, and ring the finish line. The Mangligaw. Speedmaker, yes, Pogi, Batang Balara, humble submission, Pentapec.